Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl. Now, some of you may remember a few videos ago, I did a property tour at Adenta. These houses were going for $165,000. Now, the reason for me doing the video today is that I feel there were two key pieces of information that were missed that are very, very important to know. Now, the first one is that those properties are actually freehold. Yes, that's right, freehold. In Accra, it is extremely difficult to buy a house that comes with land that is freehold. So these properties, if you buy them, you'll be getting the freehold to the property, which means that once you purchase the homes, that house is yours forever and ever and ever. Amen. You will have no problems. Most land here, most houses that you buy are leasehold, so at some point you have to renew. With these properties, you don't have to do that at all. I must also tell you that there were 9 houses in the development. There are only 2 houses left at the moment, okay? Because the rest have been sold out. Now, the second thing to note is that these properties can be secured with a deposit of $5,000. So if you are interested in these properties, it will take a $5,000 deposit in order to secure it, okay? So if you are interested, please don't take your time. Let me know as soon as possible so we can secure those houses for you. As you've seen, the rest have gone really, really quickly. Now's a really great time to jump in. If you've been on the fence about it, this is your last chance. Don't say I didn't tell you guys, okay? If you are interested in these properties, please don't hang about. As you can see, they're really just flying off the shelf really quickly. Like I said, there are only 2 left, okay? So if you'd like to do a tour, have a viewing of the property, or you'd just like to know more information, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I will help you out with that. Okay, but guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed yet, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button for me and the notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Fafa.